We got a noisy car that's bad to the bone. We got an incredible crowd. We got a book of documentation. This is absolutely a piece of Shelby history. CM363, the only original surviving Shelby factory team car, authenticated by Carroll Shelby, that retains most of its factory
1963
pieces.
Shelby Cooper Monaco
Video.
King Cobra. This is the only remaining original King Cobra in existence, verified by 2 letters from Carroll Shelby himself, authenticating its provenance, and with documentation from the Shelby American Automobile Club. A complete restoration was performed after Carroll authenticated the car. The car is considered one of the rarest and most historic of cars raced by the Shelby team and their world-class drivers.
Well, tennis, anyone? These are tennis balls. The point of this is like the old Hilborn injected funny cars. You don't want things to be falling down inside of those velocity stacks where they get right inside the Weber carburetors and do nasty things inside of the engine. Now, while most of Carroll Shelby's creations were front engine, the Cobra, the Mustang GT350, this is one of a very few that has a mid-engine or, well, a mid-engine layout. Again, the ideal race car would have the engine in the center like this because it puts the most weight on the rear tires with an equal amount on the nose. But again, for handling, this is the ideal. Not so much with the Cobras and the Mustangs.
The Cooper Monaco race cars had 1.5 to 2 liter engines, so dropping a big, nearly 5-liter Ford V8 under the engine cover of this one, well, you just about lift off the front wheels on acceleration. Kudos to Dave McDonald and the other brave men who drove and raced these in the early 1960s with good success until fellows like Bruce McLaren and Eric Broadley at Lola got into the V8-powered sports racer game.
Let's not forget Bob Bondurant, whose famous driving school is located here in the Phoenix area. He too raced a King Cobra. Gentleman up in the skybox has made quite a few acquisitions for somebody, maybe several somebodies. There's Bob, wife Pat, watching from our announce booth. $1.5 million. There is a reserve on the car. And it seems like every time I mention there's a reserve, they decide to lift it. So the car will sell. And it does for $1.5 million, becoming our 7th seven-figure sale of the auction to date.
Slot 5064 Steve, 1959 Mercedes-Benz 190 SL.
Wicked fast.
Natural tan leather, same ownership for the last 25 years.
What a beautiful piece.